Hey there. So I am making this video to do a couple things. One, to just show you how to make a copy if you've forgotten, and then another habit that's really good to get into when you're making a copy of a document or a slideshow or anything like that, to rename it with something other than a copy of blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to show you with this document as an example. This is something that Miss Ulrich has shared with all the other teachers if they want to make a copy and use it in their classes. So I figured it'd be a good thing to show you with. So open your document or your slideshow. In this case, it's a document. And then right up at the top, it says File. So click File and then scroll down to Make a Copy. And then instead of just hitting OK and making a copy, you can rename the whole thing or just get rid of copy of and then put your name. So whether you put your first and your last name, just your first name, your first initial and your last name, your initials. So I could put Anna Wadlington Preparedness Self-Evaluation, AW Preparedness Self-Evaluation, Wadlington Self-Evaluation, Anna W Self-Evaluation. As long as I put my name in there, so that when you're sharing it with a teacher or someone else, they know whose it is. So I'm going to put Anna Wadlington. My first name is Anna. My last name is Wadlington. That's where with the AWs. So Anna Wadlington Preparedness. And then for me, I don't need that, so I'll just say Preparedness Rubric 2021 for the school year. And then it's going to be in my drive. If you want to put it somewhere more specifically, you drop down, you click this arrow, and then this shows you your drive and whatever folders that you might have in your Google Drive. I just need it to go in my drive, so I'm just going to say OK. It's fine. I'm going to click OK. Then it's going to open my new, my own copy of it. I'm the only one who has this copy, and you'll notice that the name of the document is different and it does not say copy of.